Okay guys, I usually don't make videos like this, a little bit different, but this is my betta fish, Indigo. Look over my voice, I had the flu all week. I got him in this little bitty fish bowl quarantine because the other day he got SBD and he was floating on his side up at the top of the fish bowl. You can pretty much see that in the video in the corner here. Now that's something that does happen to bettas, and it's usually from, you know, overeating, or sometimes a young betta. It just happens, and it usually passes within a couple days. Now his cause, I'm not 100% if it was overeating. I fed him normally as everything else. Wasn't nothing pretty much new, so it could have been just where he's still young. He's around, I say 5-6 months old, somewhere in there. But he's back active. He still ain't got his color fully back. This is just day 2, and day 1 was, you know, in the corner, that video in the corner. But basically, the best thing to do for your fish, if it happens, is don't feed them. Let them go without eating 2 or 3 days, and it should be fine. If they're not fine about the 3rd day, you can give them a pea that you boil and just pour the skin off and give them a little bit piece of pea. It can help them pass. But sometimes they get SBD. It ain't from pretty well overeating. Sometimes it's just the betta. Young bettas, as I said before, it does happen too, and does get lined out. So I just wanted to make this video. If you're, although he comes in closer, if your betta fish gets from bladder disorder, don't worry, it's probably not something serious to worry about. As you can see, he's showing off for the camera now. If it'll focus. Oh yeah, he's enjoying himself. But if you got him in a community tank, it's best to put him in a fish bowl or somewhere else. You can pretty much quarantine them while you do this. Now the color may fade and they may get stress stripes, but you know, what would you do if you was floating up on your belly? So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to also drop a like and hit that subscribe button.